Oh my gosh, it's the last day. I'm so nervous.
Are you ready for this?
Sure.
Today is the final day. I'm still feeling hopeful about winning this competition.
The clock starts now.
Today's video is going to be a bit different. Going into the final challenge, definitely feeling a little bit of pressure there.
It's the final day. I'm feeling amped.
I'm just ready to bring my A game.
The winner of the first ever Allure Incubator in collaboration with COVERGIRL is... Allure and COVERGIRL have joined forces to discover the next big beauty influencer. We brought 5 aspiring influencers to LA to Allure Incubator headquarters. They will compete in 6 challenges at their own custom-built vlogging stations, with hundreds of COVERGIRL products. And the clock starts now.
Gosh.
Only one will win the grand prize. A contract to become a member of COVERGIRL Collective, their elite group of influencers. I'm your host, Jasmine Sanders, aka Golden Barbie, and welcome to the first ever Allure Incubator in collaboration with COVERGIRL. Hello, beauty influencers.
Hi, guys. Looking good.
This has been a journey. I can't believe it's almost over. One more challenge, and we find out who wins.
Are you ready for this?
Yeah, for sure. For today's final challenge, there will be no winner. But the tutorial you record will be part of what we review to choose the grand prize winner. First, I'd like to introduce you to our permanent judges, Michelle Lee, Editor-in-Chief of Allure, and Ukanwa Ojo, Global Senior Vice President of COVERGIRL. And today's guest judge, Laura Brinker, Global Vice President, Influencer Marketing at COVERGIRL.
Hi, everyone.
Hi.
For this challenge, Ukanwa will teach you the meaning behind the brand's new tagline, I am what I make up.
Hi, guys. So I am what I make up means within you lies everything you need to be totally awesome. At COVERGIRL, we believe that makeup is an incredibly powerful tool of self-expression, personal transformation, and confidence. Every day, as you stand in front of that mirror with your makeup bag and your creativity, you have the opportunity to express who you are to the world and to create who you want to be. I cannot wait to see what stories you will tell with your face today. You are what you make up, and you've totally got this.
Thanks.
Thank you.
Hi, everyone. All right, so beauty boxes and unboxing videos are pop culture phenoms. Audiences love to sample product that comes highly recommended from people they trust, like editors and influencers. The most successful boxes, like the Allure Beauty Box, create a lot of social buzz and sales. First, the products need to be carefully selected. Second, they need to tell a compelling story. What looks can you create using the products? Share a lot of tips and tricks. So let us know at the end of it, how does this collection represent you while staying true to Allure and the COVERGIRL brands? Good luck, guys.
On each of your stations, you'll find an empty Allure Beauty Box. Inside this empty box, you would find paper and a pen. You have 5 minutes to write down what your final look will be communicating.
The second part of this challenge will be to create a beauty box for your fans. On your stations, you have 500 COVERGIRL products. We want you to choose 5 key products to achieve your I am what I make up look for your beauty box. Then you'll have 45 minutes to create the look and tutorial based on the items in your beauty box.
The clock starts now.
She's straight up.
Okay. Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a bit different. My choice of words are I am your voice. Stepping into the final challenge, I'm feeling a little scared. I'm definitely choosing to open up on a level that I don't normally.
I am bold.
When we get the challenge, I automatically, in my head, I said, B. So ever since I was like a little boy, I used to play in my mother's makeup and stuff like that. And girl, I used to go for the boldest colors. All I have to do is stay true to myself, and that's something that I'm very good at doing. So I just know that I have this challenge in the bag.
Hi, this is Bethany, and today I'm going to show you all how I am what I make up using the Allure Beauty Box that I've curated.
I'm split between feeling like anything can happen and what kind of mess am I gonna create now? I know that my looks haven't translated well to the judges, but I've stayed true to myself the best I can, and I'm not about to stop that now.
In my box, I have 5 essential items.
I am one of a kind. I came up with that slogan because I wanted to communicate that every person is unique. At this point, I'm feeling like my competition is Ivy and Kenneth. They have both consistently received positive comments and feedback, and I know that they're really good at making videos.
You all have 15 minutes.
Thinking about the place I was in when I started like really getting serious about makeup is so hard for me. Kind of living alone and bored, kind of feeling depressed and stuff. But it is a big part of my life and part of my drive and passion for doing what I do. So I get really choked up talking about it, but it's just because it means so much to me.
Growing up, I was always steered away. Knowing that this is going to be out there for everyone to see, I just freeze. I choke up and I stop because I did not want to get emotional. I'm done. I chose not to record my message.
Time's up.
And I'm afraid that that affects my position in this challenge.
Let's take a look at the first video.
Hi guys, today is a very special day. I have curated my own Allure Beauty Box. In your brow, you really want to create a gradient from light to dark. If you mess up and you put too much, just grab the opposite end of your Ultra Define brow pencil and brush out the product.
She seems so much more comfortable now compared to episode 1.
I love this mascara. We're gonna load it on, especially on the bottom lashes.
It's a gorgeous
No
look.
highlighter, no lip gloss will shine brighter than your own happiness and accepting yourself just the way you are.
She very much understands CoverGirl's mission.
Yeah.
She hit a lot of key messages.
Hi guys, so for today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you my signature look that makes me feel like I can take on the world. We're going to go ahead and take our CoverGirl Queen Collection bronzer in Ebony, and we'll just run that through our crease on a fluffy brush.
Ivy would be really great at convincing people who are afraid of wearing color to wear color.
Now touching back into the Jewels palette, we're going to pack this gorgeous olive green shade right on the lid.
I mean, it's looking amazing.
It's truly beautiful.
Now, and that is the finished look. When I found makeup, it was when I was going through a really difficult time. I was really depressed. I had a lot of anxiety, and makeup was the thing that allowed me to kind of come out of those feelings and just create something bold and beautiful and highlight the things about myself that I love the most. That is why bold makeup looks, bold eye makeup looks specifically, are what makes me feel strong.
Oh my God. Amazing.
That really was.
So realistically, my main look that I wear every day is just a flattering eye that brings out my eye color. Something a little bit simpler, something a little bit more wearable for my lips. Because in reality, I've got to get to work, so I don't have much time.
She always does a great job of sharing little bits and pieces of her life so that her audience can connect with her.
This is a really pearly pink, and it would be a beautiful brightening shade just in the inner tear duct if you're in a hurry.
I like that she picked a professional look, right? Which is very realistic for a lot of women. Yeah, we haven't seen that so far.
Next time I'm going to take the same brush and I'm going to dip into the shade Dusk.
And I like that she took our direction and switched up her colors.
All right, that is my finished look showing you how I am what I make up. Makeup is like my armor, but good makeup is like my war paint. It brings out the absolute confidence to take on the world.
Wow,
That's beautiful.
Yeah.
All right, let's check out the next tutorial.
Hi guys, welcome back. Today's video is going to be a bit different. This is such a beautiful transition color, whether you're doing something really natural or smoky.
She knows what looks good on her. She's showing really good technique today.
I knew I was passionate about makeup the moment I had a lady walk into one of the beauty counters I worked at for me to cover up a bruise she had on her eye. And I knew exactly what had happened. I went through domestic abuse growing up. Happy and making her feel beautiful. Makeup, that's when I knew this is what I wanted to do and that this is what I was meant for. This is my purpose. And I am your voice.
I think it was so brave of her.
That was beautiful.
To be so vulnerable and to recognize that with this platform, she has the opportunity to connect with people in a new way and to be the voice for the voiceless, really.
Hey guys, so today I've created a Allure Beauty Box featuring the products that make me. We're creating a look that represents me. Bold, beautiful.
This is much cleaner than he's done in the competition.
I am bold because I was forced to be bold.
What happened?
He did have time left, but he chose to end his video.
There. Okay.
I think it was a missed opportunity to hear more of the story.
Now we're going to give you some feedback on your last tutorial and your time with us.
Tanya, you took a risk with a dramatic eye and dark lip. The final result is truly gorgeous. We applaud your bravery in sharing your personal story too. We all cried, and I'm gonna ugly cry at home later. Overall, no one can deny you know your brand and you're not afraid to own it. That is an amazing quality that you should be really proud of.
Bethany, today you've given us a stunning, wearable, professional look, and that's something we haven't seen in this entire competition. You embrace your imperfections, which is hard for many of us to do. You have consistently impressed us.
Rebecca, your challenge look was stunning and so wearable. Coming into this competition, you didn't have the same body of tutorial work as your fellow influencers, but you quickly showed us your talent and your technical abilities. You really heard our critiques and you continued to grow from challenge to challenge. Well done.
Thank you.
Kenneth, your makeup application today was flawless. Overall, you performed at the top in almost every competition. That is no easy feat. And you have not made us stop laughing since the beginning. And there is no denying it. No one can contour and highlight like you.
Thank you.
And Ivy, your ease with the CoverGirl products continues to wow us. Your final look today was simply dazzling, and we saw a vulnerable side to you we haven't seen yet. Overall, we've really seen you grow over this competition. We appreciate that you stumbled through a few challenges until you really hit your stride. When you stay focused though and true to your vision, we really see you shine.
Now, for the grand prize. One of you 5 will become an official member of the CoverGirl Collective and the winner of $5,000. The winner of the first ever Allure Incubator in collaboration with CoverGirl is... Ivy.
Can we hug?
I'm floored. I'm excited. I can't believe this is happening.
Okay. Who needs foundation? It's cool.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you very much. I just feel really honored and thankful. Makeup just means so much to me, and just being able to win this means a lot.
Thank you everyone for joining us on Allure Incubator in collaboration with CoverGirl. Come on. Come on, come on. We need
Thank you. You will not be seeing the last of Kenneth. I'll be, ghost for about 2 weeks because I need to recover.
It was a good competition. I know I gave my best. I think we're all just trying to make our dreams come true.
Thank you so much.
I feel like I have learned so much throughout this process and that I can apply these things in my tutorials and just use them to create better content for my followers. So this has been an amazing experience for me.